Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So today we will start the new chapter, that is the triangle and its properties. So what is a triangle? So triangle is a polygon made up of three line segments. It is a polygon. Polygon means what? Polygon means closed figure. So it is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Made up of three line segments. And what are the properties of triangle? So it has three vertices. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Three vertices. And next, three sides. A, B, B, C, A, C. And next, three angles. That is angle A, angle B, angle C. Here you can represent like this also, angle A, angle B, angle C. Or else you can represent angle A as angle BAC. Which one you are going to consider the angle? That should be at middle. So you are writing here angle A, so A should be at middle. Whether you can write angle BAC or you can write angle CAB. However you can write, but which angle you are going to represent, that should be at middle. So you can write this as angle BAC or angle CAB. And next, angle B, what you can write? Angle ABC. B should be at middle. Or angle CB. B should be at middle. Next, angle C, what you can write? Angle ACB. C should be at middle. Or angle BCA. So here C should be at middle. So which angle you are going to represent, that angle should be at middle. So that will represent the given angle. So triangle has three vertices, three angles and three sides. Yes. Now let us say next here median. What is a median? Median means middle value. Middle value. So now how we are going to write median for the triangle? Let us see. Let us take here BC as 8 cm. Then middle point of this 8 cm will be 4. Let us take this as D. This is 4 cm and this is 4 cm. This D will be the midpoint. Midpoint means middle point. Because 8 is there, half of means at 4 cm. So now here median means it is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It is a line segment drawn from the vertex. Which vertex you are going to consider? That vertex. So it is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, to it. So for vertex A, which one is there? Opposite side? BC. So midpoint of that is D. So the line segment joined from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called as the what? Median. So here AD is the median. So next, after this, altitude or height of a triangle. Altitude or a height of a triangle. So now, what is the height or altitude here? is called as the what? Height or altitude. Or you may say this one as like it is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of the vertex. So it is a perpendicular distance or perpendicular length drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So this one is called as what? Altitude. Altitude. So perpendicular means this angle should be how much? 90 degrees. So that one is called as altitude or a height of a triangle. So these are the basic things about the triangle. Okay, let us write those definitions clearly now. A triangle. Triangle means what? It is a polygon or a closed figure. It is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Made up of three line segments. What are the properties of triangle? Triangle will be having three vertices, three sides and three angles. So let us see. Vertices. So how many vertices are there? Three. What are those? A, B and C. These are the three vertices. Next. Sides. How many sides are there? Three sides. A, B or B. Whatever you can write. Or however you can write. A, B or B. So A, B. Next. B, C. And A, C or C. So these are the three sides of a triangle. Next. Angles. Three angles. So angle A or you may represent this as angle BAC. A should be at middle. Angle BAC. Next angle B or angle ABC. B should be at middle. Angle ABC. And next third one is angle C. Angle C or angle BC. C should be at middle or angle BC. This is the symbol of representation of angle. So these are the properties of a triangle. That is vertices, sides and angles. Next, median. Median means it is a line segment joining from a vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to it. Side opposite to it means to the midpoint of the opposite side. So here let us consider this as 6 centimeter. Then midpoint will become 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Take this as point D, midpoint. Then median will become what? AD. AD will be the median. So this is what? Median. Next, altitude or height. So altitude means it is a perpendicular distance. It is a perpendicular distance drawn from a vertex. Drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. To the opposite side. So here it is a triangle ABC. So perpendicular distance drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So perpendicular means it should make 90 degree. So here it is 90 degree. If you draw straight means that always should be 90 degree only. So here let us take this as D. So AD is what here? Altitude. Median means it should drawn from a vertex to the middle point of the opposite side, and altitude means it should drawn from a vertex to the perpendicular. It should drawn perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. So these are the basic things about the triangle. Now let us see the exercise 6.1. What it is? Let us see the exercise 6.1. In the first question, in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR. So they ask the questions. PM is, next PD is, next is QM equals to MR, is QM equals to MR. So they are given the diagram. Say that So here now PM is what? Here they are given 90 degree. So PM is what? It is a perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance means what? Altitude. So PM is altitude. Next, PD. So here they are given D is the midpoint. So it is a line segment joining from vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. That means what? Median. Midpoint means median. So PD is median. Next, is QM equals to M bar? Is QM equals to M bar? No, because QD equals to RD. D is the midpoint, but M is not a midpoint. So, is QM equals to M bar? No. Both are not equal. No. So, this is about the solution of first question. Let us next question, second one. Draw the rough sketches for the following. Draw the rough sketches for the following. First one, in triangle ABC, B is a median. In triangle ABC, B is a median. So let us draw the diagram. Okay, base I will take here as 6 centimeter. Base I will take here as 6 centimeter, and remaining whatever you want you can write that or you can draw that. Just I have taken base as a how much? 6 centimeter, because for drawing the median I have taken, or you can take 8 centimeter or how much you want you can take that base. So now in triangle ABC, A, B, C, B should be here only, because I am going to draw the median for opposite side AC. So B should be at the opposite only. So they said to draw BE as a median. So if you write here ABC, it will become AE. So that you should write B at here. So now here it is, midpoint is 3 centimeter here. So draw the median. So this is what? BE median. Next, in the second one, triangle, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. In a single triangle, PQ and PR both should be altitude, like that you should draw. So two altitudes in which triangle you will get? That is, only in right angle triangle you will get two altitudes, that is perpendicular lengths. So you should draw the right angle triangle. Means making an angle with 90 degree. So if you draw the straight line, that will be 90 degree only. So here it is 90 degree. PQ and PR. So P is common is there. So take at middle. So here it is Q and R. So here PQ also altitude because 90 degree is there. Tn also altitude because 90 degrees there. So you will get two altitudes in a single triangle, that is in the right angle triangle only. Next, see, in triangle XYZ, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the angle. In the exterior of the triangle. Exterior means outside. So you should draw the altitude outside the triangle XYZ. Let us see how to draw that. So for drawing the altitude outside the triangle, you should draw the obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means this angle should be more than 90 degrees. Then only you can draw the altitude outside. So let us say X, Y, this is Z, triangle XYZ. So now draw the altitude outside the triangle, YF. So here you can draw that perpendicular distance. So this is what YL, the altitude outside the triangle, that is exterior of the triangle. For drawing the exterior altitude, you should draw the obtuse angle triangle. That means this angle should be more than 90. So this is about what? Solution of second question. Now let us see next question, last question of this exercise, third one. Verify by drawing a diagram. Verify by drawing a diagram. If the median and altitude, if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle, of an isosceles triangle can be seen, So here it is. What is the meaning of question? Means draw an isosceles triangle. Check that whether median and altitude both are same only or not. Let us see. I will draw the isosceles triangle. So you will study that how to draw the triangles in the practical geometry. So just see here. I will take base as 6 centimeter. Base as 6 centimeter. So isosceles triangle means two sides should be equal. So next, I will take two sides as 4 centimeter. So you will study that how to draw these the triangle in the practical geometry. Don't bother about that. So mark the midpoint of 12 centimeter. So draw the median. So this is the median. A, B, C and D. So this is AD is a median. So it is also an altitude because it is a perpendicular is there. You can check that it will form or it will make 90 degree. So yes, in an isosceles triangle, median and altitude will be the same. Yes. So answer for this one is yes. So this is the solution of third question. Okay, by this the exercise 6.1 is completed. So we'll see the next section of this chapter in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.